Are you looking to earn passive income from your cryptocurrency investments? Staking could be the solution you've been searching for. In this video, we'll uncover the secrets to maximizing your staking rewards and making the most out of your crypto portfolio. From choosing the right staking provider to avoiding common pitfalls, you'll learn everything you need to know to make staking work for you. So sit back, relax, and get ready to discover the exciting world of staking rewards. But first, you need to be aware that this video is intended for educational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Cryptocurrency investments carry a high degree of risk, and you should always do your own research before making any investment decisions. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to stay up to date with our latest videos. Now, let's get started. We have been in a bear market for over a year. Trading opportunities are becoming increasingly scarce. No one wants to jump in and lose their money. After all, no one likes to lose money, right? But what if we told you that even in this bear market, you can still make the most of it by staking? That's what experimental traders do. They find the best performing coins and invest a little money in them. Some traders manage to get a 100% return on their investment in 120 days by staking. So what is staking, and how can you benefit from it? Staking is a process that is used to validate transactions and secure the blockchain network of a particular cryptocurrency. By holding or staking a certain amount of coins in a wallet, individuals can participate in the network's consensus mechanism and earn rewards in the form of new coins. For investors, staking offers several benefits. Firstly, it provides a passive income, as they earn rewards simply by holding coins in their wallet and participating in the network. Secondly, staking is less energy intensive than traditional proof-of-work mining, making it more environmentally friendly. Thirdly, staking can increase the demand for a particular coin, which can lead to an increase in its price. So how does staking work exactly? When transactions are made on the blockchain, they must be validated by nodes or validators. The more coins an individual holds, the greater their influence in the validation process. Staking allows investors to use their coins to vote for or against certain transactions and proposals, which helps to maintain the security and integrity of the network. After discussing what staking is and its advantages, let's take a closer look at Lido Finance, one of the leading platforms in the space. With over $8 billion in staked assets and more than 265,000 stakers, Lido Finance has established itself as a reputable and popular staking platform. One of the key advantages of Lido Finance is its competitive interest rates. This means that investors have the opportunity to earn higher returns compared to other staking platforms. Lido Finance also offers a user-friendly interface, making it easy for anyone to get started with staking, regardless of their level of technical expertise. In addition, Lido Finance places a strong emphasis on security and reliability. The platform uses cutting-edge technology and strict security protocols to ensure that investors' funds are always safe. With Lido Finance, you can rest assured that your staked assets are secure and your investment is protected. Overall, Lido Finance offers a compelling opportunity for investors who are looking to earn a passive income while participating in the growth of the crypto ecosystem. With its strong track record, competitive interest rates, and commitment to security and reliability, Lido Finance is a platform that investors can trust. We've discussed the benefits of staking in Lido Finance as a leading platform. But there's one more important thing to consider if you want to maximize your staking profits: following some key rules. Let's explore a few tips that can help you make the most of your staking experience. But before that, if you are getting value, make sure to like the video and subscribe to stay updated about new crypto opportunities. So, the first tip is to choose the right offer. When it comes to staking, not all offers are created equal. It's important to do your research and choose the offer that's right for you, taking into account factors such as the annual yield, lockup period, and minimum staking amount. For example, if you're looking for a high yield, you might choose a staking offer that offers a 20% annual yield, but you'll need to lock up your assets for a longer period of time. On the other hand, if you need quick liquidity, you might choose a staking offer with a shorter lockup period, even if the yield is lower. The second tip is to avoid greed. Greed is a common mistake that can lead to losses in the world of staking. When the market is bullish, it can be tempting to increase your stake in the hope of earning more. But this can also lead to significant losses if the market turns. It's important to stick to your staking plan and not let emotions drive your decisions. For example, if you have a staking plan that involves staking 10% of your portfolio, stick to it, even if you're tempted to increase your stake during a bull run. The third tip is to consider market conditions. The crypto market is known for its volatility, and staking is no exception. It's important to consider the current market conditions when deciding how much to stake and when to sell. For example, if the market is experiencing a downturn, you may want to decrease your stake or sell your tokens to avoid further losses. On the other hand, if the market is on an upward trend, you may want to consider increasing your stake to take advantage of the growth. And the final tip is to stake as much as possible. The more you stake, the more rewards you'll receive. While staking a large amount of your portfolio may not always be feasible, it's important to stake as much as possible within your means. For example, if you have $10,000 or $100,000 in crypto assets, you may want to consider staking at least 50% of that amount to maximize your rewards. So, by following these tips and making informed decisions, you can maximize your staking profits and enjoy a passive income from your crypto assets. Remember, staking is a long-term investment strategy, so it's important to be patient and stay disciplined. Now, let's share with you the step-by-step process of staking with Lido Finance. First, you'll need to choose a staking pool. A staking pool is a group of individuals who pool their resources together to increase their chances of earning rewards. Lido Finance offers a variety of staking pools, each with its own unique characteristics, such as the size of the pool and the amount of rewards offered. Next, you'll need to create a Lido Finance account. This is a quick and easy process that can be completed in a matter of minutes. Simply provide your email address and create a password to get started. Once you've created your account, you'll need to deposit some cryptocurrency. Lido Finance supports several popular cryptocurrencies, including Ethereum and Binance Coin. Simply select the cryptocurrency you'd like to deposit and follow the instructions to complete the transaction. Now, it's time to set up your staking parameter. You'll need to specify the amount of cryptocurrency you'd like to stake and for how long. This is an important decision as it will determine the amount of rewards you'll earn. After you've set up your staking parameters, you'll be able to monitor the progress of your staking. You'll be able to see how much you've earned as well as the total amount of rewards you're expected to receive. Finally, it's time to claim your rewards. Simply log into your Lido Finance account and select the Claim Rewards button. Your rewards will be automatically credited to your account and you can then use them as you see fit. Staking with Lido Finance is a straightforward process. With the right approach and a little bit of patience, you can earn a steady stream of passive income while supporting the growth of the cryptocurrency ecosystem. So, with competitive interest rates and an easy-to-use interface, Lido Finance is an excellent choice for those looking to start staking. However, it's important to make informed choices and consider the potential risks involved. With the right strategy, staking can be a valuable addition to any crypto portfolio. So why not explore the opportunities of staking and see how it can help grow your investments? That's it for today's video. If you're interested in cryptocurrency, stay tuned to our channel for informative content. We cover everything from the rise of digital currencies to the latest trends in the market. Join us on this journey and stay up to date on all things crypto. See you in the next video.